Okay, tell me what happened. Do you like the lights? Is it surprising? Is it bright? It makes you not want to talk anymore? You keep staring at it? Did you have a good day today? Hmm? Yeah? Oh, yeah. I know. Do you miss your sister? Do you wish she was awake right now? I know. You want to play with her? I know. I know. You guys do play a lot. She likes to hug you, huh? I know. You're my baby, Patricia. You're my baby. Yeah, it's so exciting, huh? Say bye-bye.